So I just put my rat snake in the grass for a second, and he got all defensive. Look. Can I get you? Yeah, I'm gonna get bit.
Let's go for the tail. Slide your hand up.
Well, this is my albino high red rat snake. He's never struck at anyone before except for when I just put him in the grass. We just got this guy and he's in quarantine. I gotta wash my hands whenever we go to switch snakes so that way if he does have anything, he doesn't spread it to any of the others. That was funny because like I set him down in the grass and like he was still in my lap but his head was in the grass. And like I started petting him, and all of a sudden he just like starts getting defensive and striking at me. Yep, see him he's making his head look like a triangle. Or tempting to. He's a really pretty snake. Alright, let's go put him up. Well, thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm just reminding you to get out and stay out.